Here's how you can make a purple ninja shadow box, pink Mario with a buzz cut on the sides do the bunny hop, or yourself, do whatever you want. Let's get started. So the tool is called Viggle AI, and to use it, it's just like Midjourney and a lot of the other AI tools. You need to be within their Discord server. Right now they're in beta, and here you can actually try it for free. And for your convenience, I've actually put the link in the description down below. So once you're in their Discord, you've got a bunch of different servers. And the ones that we care about are the ones right here, the animate servers. If you open up one of these channels, this is where you can start prompting. And now there's 5 prompts that you need to be aware of. You've got mix, which allows you to mix a character image into a motion video. Animate, which allows you to animate a static character with a text motion prompt. Ideate, where you can create a character video from just text. Character, where you can create a character by using a text prompt to then animate it. Or stylize, where you can restyle your character with a text prompt and animate it. And now the prompt that we're going to be using in this video is actually animate. And just before I show you exactly how we do it, here are some recommendations. First, you want to upload images with the full character body, right? You want the full rig. You don't want the legs cut off or the arms cut off, and it needs to be facing from the front. And then secondly, if you're doing videos, you need to be showing clear human motion, and they suggest a resolution higher than 720p. So now we're going to go ahead and animate the character. And I always suggest clicking on one of the lower ones right here, because people always tend to click on the first one. So let's say I click on animate number 7. Here I can start typing my prompt. So all I'm going to do is hit / and then we're going to choose animate. And now here I need to drag in my image. And so I've got a few different images here, but this is the purple ninja, this is the photo of me, and then this is the pink Mario with the buzz cut. And I actually generated these with Midjourney, because while you can generate characters straight within Viggle, I feel like it's hard to get the exact character that you want. And if you are using Midjourney or another image generator outside of Viggle, here's a prompt that I recommend so you get the right kind of image that you can use in Viggle with like the arms outwards and everything. And so I'm going to go ahead and just drag in this image of me right here. So I've uploaded my image, and now we have the motion prompts. And the motion prompts is where we are going to choose the motion that we want our character to make. And here we can type in anything we want. Now, if you're lacking inspiration, I'm going to share the Viggle website down below. They actually have a library of prompts with what the kind of result will look like. And as you can see, if I scroll through, we've got a bunch of different ones here. So this one is the boxing one that I showed in the beginning, but we can actually choose a bunch of different ones. So here I'm just going to choose this bold stance, which looks like the stanky leg, I think. So we just hit copy, then we go back into Midjourney, and I'm going to paste the prompt. And again, you can actually type out whatever you want here. And then for background, we've actually got a few different options. I like to choose green screen, because that way we can just quickly key it out in a video editor and we can place it on any background we want. So I click green screen, and then here we've got fine tune, which is supposed to add a little bit more detail to the animation and your prompt. If you do toggle this on, it does take a little longer to render. And once I've rendered this, I'm going to show you the two side by side, one with fine tune on and one with fine tune off. I'm just going to select on right now, and then I hit enter. And now, essentially, this is sent off to Viggle, and we are put in a queue. And as you can see now, it's generating. And then once Viggle is done, we are going to have our video. And so as you can see, it's done. And if I click play, as you can see, you got me doing this weird dance. And now you'll notice that it looks just like the reference video that we saw on the website. And this is because I'm pretty sure that Viggle doesn't actually generate the character movements, but it will link them to a reference video that they have somewhere in their library. And so you'll notice that if you try and get really specific with the prompt, you won't get much variation in terms of the generation, because it will be linking back to the same reference video. And I'm guessing that's because their library isn't actually massive, and again, they're not generating these themselves. But here, I can actually just download that video. It then saves to my computer, and I can go through and do this as many times as I want. And right now, the tool's pretty new. There's not that many people that are using it. As you can see, I've been here for the past couple of minutes, and no one else generated in this channel besides me, whereas like Midjourney, there's like thousands and thousands of people. And I'm guessing it's going to end up like Midjourney, where you're going to have to pay a subscription for a faster service. But let's move on and try doing it from a video. Let's use a video as a reference point. So now I just go back to message, and here we are going to do mix. So I can mix a character image into a motion video. And so here, now as you can see, we've got 2 placeholders, image and video. And so this time I'm going to choose my ninja character that I generated with Midjourney. And then I've got this video of Michael Jackson. And And I know I said that they suggest having a video resolution of at least 720p, but I like to push the boundaries here and I want to see how good it's going to be able to pick up on this video and rig the ninja body to this video, because like it's super pixelated and blurry, super hard to make out. The quality is terrible, but we're going to see what it looks like. So I just drop my ninja here, I drop Michael Jackson here, and then background, again, I'm just going to go for green screen, and this time we are going to also leave fine tune on, and then I just hit enter. And so here it's just finished. It looks like we've got something. My ninja is in a moonwalk stance, so let's hit play. Okay, yeah. So the quality of the video I used was way too low. But if you have a super clear video, it will match to it perfectly. But that is how to make crazy animations from a simple image and animate your characters however you want with Viggle AI. It's super cool. I would love to know what you guys think, so let me know down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more cool videos about content creation and AI, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.